Warren Buffett points out 7 common financial mistakes often made by those with limited resources. Want a more comfortable life and financial success? You're in the right spot. Today, I'll guide you on managing your money better and avoiding unnecessary costs. I'll reveal 7 areas where many often overspend, as highlighted by Warren Buffett, the world's top investor. Stick around till the end for a surprising revelation. If you find this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated and move closer to your financial goals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Gambling. Engaging in gambling can have a profound negative impact on your financial stability. Warren Buffett, one of the world's most renowned investors, acknowledges that an occasional flutter might be harmless. However, if you're looking to gambling as a consistent means to augment your income or amass wealth, you're on a precarious path that could lead to financial distress. It's essential to recognize the addictive nature of games, especially ones like slot machines. The thrill and anticipation can easily entice you to spend continuously, and before you know it, you might find your savings dwindling rapidly. Depending solely on luck is a short-sighted strategy. True achievers and successful individuals understand the importance of hard work, strategy, and perseverance. Depending on chance is not a sustainable or wise approach to life or finances. It's crucial to remember that genuine success is achieved by those who take calculated risks and make informed decisions, not by leaving things to chance. Number 2. Buying a home. It's a common misconception that owning a home early on is a hallmark of financial success. However, many affluent individuals take a different approach at the start of their wealth-building journey. Rather than diving into home ownership, they often choose to rent, allowing them to allocate resources towards accumulating substantial assets. This strategy positions them to eventually purchase a home without the burden of crippling debt. One of the pitfalls that individuals with constrained finances often fall into is the allure of home ownership, even if it means taking on a hefty mortgage. This approach can be detrimental, as tying up all one's savings and resources into a single asset, especially with added debt, exposes them to significant financial vulnerabilities. A home, contrary to popular belief, isn't always a profit-generating asset. In many cases, it comes with ongoing maintenance costs, property taxes, and other unforeseen expenses. The inherent risks of placing a majority of one's financial worth into home ownership can be overwhelming. Warren Buffett, a voice of financial wisdom, isn't against the sentimental value and comfort of having a personal space for one's family. His cautionary advice revolves around the financial strategy behind home ownership. He emphasizes the dangers of over-leveraging oneself with debt to own a home, as this can set one on a slow but sure path to financial instability. If you're finding this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps us create more valuable content for you. Number 3. Committing to a gym membership. The gym membership paradox. In 2017, a staggering 61 million people took the step to enroll in gym memberships, driven by aspirations of better health and fitness. However, a surprising revelation emerged. Almost 70% of these enthusiastic members became inactive within just a few months. This trend isn't just a reflection of individual commitment levels, but also a business model many gyms capitalize on. They bank on the fact that a significant portion of their members will pay their monthly dues without actually utilizing the facilities. Gyms undeniably offer a plethora of benefits, from state-of-the-art equipment to specialized classes catering to various fitness levels and interest. Yet, the crux of the matter lies in the individual's commitment. A gym membership card collecting dust in one's wallet doesn't translate to improved health or fitness. It's merely an unused ticket to potential well-being. Before locking oneself into a gym contract, it's worth exploring alternative fitness avenues that might be more sustainable and wallet-friendly. The world outside offers a vast fitness playground, serene parks for walking, open spaces for group sports, trails for running, and mountains for hiking. These not only provide physical exercise, but also the added benefit of connecting with nature and mental relaxation. Ultimately, the journey to fitness is as much of a mental endeavor as it is a physical one. It's about cultivating a disciplined mindset, setting realistic goals, and finding a routine that one can genuinely commit to. Before diving into a gym membership, it's wise to introspect and determine if you're truly ready to embrace the fitness journey consistently. Number 4. Buying luxury brands. Understanding the luxury brand appeal, it's a common misconception that affluence equates to an extravagant lifestyle filled with high-end brands. While those with limited financial means might sometimes stretch their budgets to acquire items they don't essentially require, the wealthy often have a different approach to spending. Yes, they possess the financial capability to indulge in the finest things, be it designer outfits, opulent mansions, or luxury vehicles. However, their purchasing decisions aren't always driven by brand names. Many self-made millionaires and financial savvy individuals have reached their status through prudent financial decisions. They recognize the value of money and understand that a brand name doesn't always equate to superior quality. It's not a rare sight to find a wealthy individual wearing a simple, affordable watch or using a phone model that's several years old. Their choices underscore the principle that true value isn't always tied to a hefty price tag. The essence of smart spending lies in discerning the real worth of a product beyond its brand appeal. For example, when faced with a choice of buying a $200 branded t-shirt versus a $10 unbranded one of comparable quality, it's essential to question the added value the brand brings. Is the significant price difference justified solely by a logo? Often, the underlying product quality between luxury and non-luxury items is similar, with the brand name being the primary factor driving up cost. In essence, while luxury brands offer a certain prestige and status symbol, it's crucial for consumers, regardless of their financial standing, to evaluate purchases based on intrinsic value, and not just brand allure. This discerning approach to spending can lead to more informed decisions and long-term financial well-being. Number 5. Buying a new car. Consider the financial implications of buying a new car. Investing in a brand new car is often perceived as a precarious financial decision, particularly for the younger demographic. This perspective stems from the rapid depreciation that a new car undergoes the moment it exits the dealership. The initial depreciation is quite staggering, with a vehicle losing about 20 to 30% of its value within the first year. As time progresses, this depreciation continues, resulting in a loss of at least 60% of the car's initial value within a 5-year period. A significant number of people resort to loans to facilitate the purchase of a new car. However, this approach essentially translates to acquiring debt to invest in a depreciating asset, which might not be the most financially sound decision. Borrowing money to purchase an asset that immediately loses a substantial portion of its value might not be the most strategic financial move. However, there's a more financially savvy way to approach car ownership for those who desire the feel of a new car without the hefty price tag and rapid depreciation. Considering the purchase of a slightly used car, perhaps 2 or 3 years old, can be a prudent alternative. Such a car typically retains a relatively new feel and appearance, but comes with a considerably reduced price, reflecting the initial years of depreciation. This approach allows for the experience of a new car without the immediate and significant financial depreciation, offering a balanced compromise between value and experience. Number 6. Watching TV and playing video games. The impact of media consumption habits. Warren Buffett, a voice of financial wisdom, has shed light on the media consumption patterns of different economic groups. He observes that individuals from middle and lower economic strata often allocate a significant portion of their time to passive entertainment, such as watching TV and engaging in video games. This observation carries a couple of implications. Financial expenditure. There's a financial aspect to consider. Many households invest in premium television packages, chasing the latest shows and channels. This recurring expense over time can add up, especially when one considers the potential opportunity cost of that money if invested elsewhere. Time allocation. Beyond the financial aspect, there's the more pressing concern of time. Hours spent on video games or in front of the TV represent time that could be channeled into self-improvement, skill acquisition, or other ventures that might have long-term benefits, including potential avenues for income generation. Contrastingly, individuals from more affluent backgrounds often exhibit different habits. They tend to prioritize activities that contribute to personal growth and knowledge expansion, such as consistent reading. This isn't to say that they don't indulge in entertainment, but there's a noticeable balance in how they allocate their leisure time. Furthermore, in the age of digital streaming, platforms like Netflix have become ubiquitous. While they offer a vast array of content, the ease of binge watching can lead to extended hours of passive consumption. This trend is more pronounced among those who might not have the resources or inclination to diversify their leisure activities. In essence, Buffett's observation underscores the importance of mindful media consumption and the need to strike a balance. Allocating time wisely, even during leisure, can have profound implications for personal and financial growth. Number 7. Extravagant vacations. The hidden price of extravagant journeys. Traveling, exploring new cultures, and immersing oneself in unique experiences are often seen as enriching facets of life. These adventures can provide lifelong memories and personal growth. However, the allure of such experiences can sometimes overshadow the practical considerations that come with planning and financing them. For many, especially those with constrained budgets, the dream of a lavish vacation can lead to hasty decisions. It's not rare for individuals to resort to loans or credit to fund a short-lived escape from daily life. While the immediate gratification and joy of the trip can be intoxicating, the financial aftermath can be a sobering reality. The burden of debt, with accumulating interest, and the stress it brings can linger long after the vacation glow has faded, leading to feelings of regret and financial strain. To truly savor and benefit from travel experiences, a holistic approach is essential. This means not only dreaming big, but also grounding those dreams on financial reality. Emotional decisions, driven by the allure of exotic locations or the promise of relaxation, need to be tempered with rational thought. It's essential to ask oneself, can I truly afford this trip without jeopardizing my financial future? Moreover, there are always alternative ways to experience the joys of travel without breaking the bank. Consider off-peak travel, budget accommodations, or even exploring local destinations that don't require expensive flights. With careful planning and a bit of research, it's possible to have enriching travel experiences that align with one's financial capabilities. In essence, while the call of distant shores and new adventures is strong, it's vital to ensure that the journey taken today doesn't compromise the journeys of tomorrow. Prioritizing financial well-being ensures that travel remains a source of joy, not a cause for regret. In this video, we delved into some common financial pitfalls. We highlighted the risks of gambling, which can quickly drain finances and push individuals toward bankruptcy. We also discussed Warren Buffett's perspective on home ownership, emphasizing the potential benefits of renting while accumulating assets. Other financial missteps include paying for gym memberships without consistent usage, especially when there are cost-effective or even free fitness alternatives available. Luxury brands, while enticing, should be a consideration only after achieving a stable financial footing. It's essential to recognize that high prices don't always equate to superior quality, and there are often more affordable options of equal caliber. Additionally, the allure of a brand new car can be misleading, given the swift depreciation of vehicles. Opting for pre-owned cars can be a more financially sound choice. Excessive TV watching and gaming are seen by Buffett as not just a financial drain, but also a significant time waster. Lastly, while vacations are enriching, it's crucial to plan them wisely to avoid financial strain or regrets. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we hope the insights from Buffett in our discussions have provided valuable takeaways. If you found this video beneficial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We regularly share content on wealth building, investment success, and other finance-related topics. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, farewell and thank you.